are gonna give you a van tour and we're gonna clean this baby up and we are gonna have a taco party. So let's get going! Get ready, here we go! Confirmed. Yes. Okay, now I have to
gosh.
Now it's 30 seconds. Yep. This is the grey water that we're emptying right now. So this handle is in the car. You take it and you put it here. You turn it and then it starts emptying. It's fairly easy. One last thing is to refill the fresh water, and that you do here. No, seriously. We got it. It's fine. Alright, and then when you're done with that, you can check your water levels here. Alright, let's go get some tacos! Welcome to my crib! Let's give you guys a tour. Come on in. Okay, the most important thing is our plant, which we keep in the garbage bin when we drive, just to not break it. And it always feels like home when we take it out. Here's a table. Here are chairs. They are perfect. You can turn them which way. Oh. And then you can bring this table out like this. And that's just so good. I'm gonna show you the fridge. And I actually thought at first that we only have to shop a little at a time, but it's actually pretty big. So we fit everything we need and everything we want. This is our secret box, also called a freezer, where we keep our magic mango.
Alright, so we do not only have a lot of storage in the fridge, we also have storage up here, and here, and here. And these cabinets are for our clothing. And underneath here, we also have a lot of space for everything and anything. Electricity cables, yoga mats, extra winter jackets and stuff like that. We also have space for 2 gas bottles. This is the toilet. Welcome. It has a shower and running water and a toilet. Very luxurious actually.
My favorite part is over here. These lamps are awesome. Let's just put it on because you can move them wherever you want. Ta-da!
Wow.
Amazing.
I'll take you